You just line it up there and push back in. It's locked. Hey campers, it's Joe here. It's winter time. Not too much camping going on, but I got something I think some of you might be interested to see. It's my overhead camera setup, and I think some people might be interested to know how I put it together. So right here, basically it's just a PVC framework that goes overhead that I can adjust and everything. But the main thing about this, my problem was, how do I attach my camera to it? And I came up with a really slick setup here. I've got two separate pieces. There's a clamp part there that adjusts, and then there's the part that the camera mounts to. So that's one piece right there. I'll have all the links and the descriptions in my video description. And then here's the other piece, and it has a quick release plate, which I really like because it fits my Manfrotto tripod. My tripod has, this will fit right in there if I wanted to, the plate that comes out of here. So anyway, I put that, I can position my camera however I want. I'm going to have this screwed on. Fits on there nice and tight. Now, the good part is, if I want to switch my cameras out to bring it over to the tripod, I just pull the little lever right there, take this out, come over and set my camera over on my tripod, just like that. This locks right in. It's a perfect fit for the Manfrotto. And by the way, if you're not using a Manfrotto tripod, you should be. This one is the model 390. I've had it for decades, and they still make them, I believe, and it's a great tripod. I've got two of them. So anyway, so I can switch it back there, and then I can come back over here. Want to do my overhead shot, my camera's on this, and I put this in there like that and push. Nice. It's locked in. It's not going anywhere. Here's my one of my cameras. You just line it up there and push back in. It's locked. It's in there. Then I can take and adjust that however I want to. I hope that you found that interesting and helpful, and have a good winter. We'll see you in the spring, or actually I'll see you a few more times. I'm going to do some cooking outside. Just like that.